Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro GBP in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many levels marked here on the chart and I have got many lines also. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro GBP, why these levels are important and what should be our trading strategy. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to talk about the resistance at the top here. So we have a very strong resistance at 0.8640 to 0.8660. This is a very strong resistance for the market at the top. If you do not have these lines, then please draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis and also you can take better trades. So right now we have a good resistance at the top and there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. But right now you can see that the current market price is far away from this level, therefore we won't be talking much here. Just keep in mind that we have a very strong resistance at the top, and on the other hand we also have a very strong support at the bottom at 0.8460. This is a very strong resistance at the bottom. So in case there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, then there's a good possibility of market bouncing from this level, as the support is a quite strong one. Therefore this is a very safe level to go for buy here. So if market bounces from 0.8460 in the future, definitely you can go for buy. So this is a safe level. This is a safe level. Safe means, see, I know that many beginners watch my video, many people who are very much new to trading. Okay, for them I am just marking the level as safe, because see, if you are a beginner, if you do not have much knowledge about the movement of the market, how these levels work, then you should only be trading on the levels which are good for you, okay, which are good for you and have a better possibility of moving towards the direction I'm saying right now. I sound confused. Actually, the main thing is that I'm marking the levels safe here, because see, if you are a beginner, if you're new to trading, then you should only be trading on these levels, because these levels have got proper support and proper resistance. In case market comes down to this particular level, then there is a high chance of market bouncing, and if you buy here, you have a better possibility of earning money. Likewise, if market goes up and hits the resistance and reverses, then you can short the market, and the possibility of reversal from this resistance is quite high, and as a result I have marked this level as safe, so that beginners, those who are new to trading, can also earn money from the market. Clear? So apart from these two levels, we also have a trend line which was acting as a dynamic support for the market, but you can see that right now market is trading below the trend line. Okay, previously market was respecting the trend line, but right now market has broke the trend line and trading below it. So if you look at the overall setup here, what I'm hoping is that there is still a chance for the market to recover, and market will try to regain its position above the trend line again. So in case market regains its position and starts going up from here again, definitely you can click on the buy button and the trend line will be the support again. Right now the market, it seems that market has broke the trend line, market is trading below it, but if you just observe the market here, then you can see that market is trying to take support. So in that case, if market starts trading above the trend line again, then I'll get the confidence, at least I'll get the confidence that yes, the trend line is back into action again, the trend line is still a valid support for the market, and you can go for buy. Okay, so this are the three trading opportunities, and the last trading opportunity is the support zone right now. And if you look at the chart here, observe the chart here, then yes, we also have a very good support here at this particular level of the market, around 0.84 0.500. Around this level we have a good support here. But why I have not marked the level as safe? The main reason is that you can see the selling pressure on the market is quite high here. So whenever we see the selling pressure is extreme, the selling pressure is too high, market usually breaks the support. So this is the main reason why I have not marked the level as safe for the new traders. But if we draw a Fibonacci levels here, okay, if I draw the Fibonacci level here, you can also try it. If you draw the Fibonacci here, then you can see that this is the Fibonacci level. Okay, we have the Fibonacci level 78.6% here, and that gives us the additional confirmation that yes, we also have a support here. But as I said, selling pressure is too high in the market, and as we all know, price is the king. Therefore I am not marking the level as safe. So if market regains its position over the trend line again, then you can go for a buy order, but not right now. But if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for last couple of years, then you can take a buy position following proper risk management. But not for the new traders. They should only trade either here, here or here. So if market breaks the level, also listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level, don't be disheartened. Okay, you can go for a buy at this level if market bounces. And if you want to take some risk, if you have got the risk appetite, you can also short the market below 0.8500 level. So this is the trading strategy that you can follow for Euro GBP. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care.